All right, guys, let's look. Yeah, I gotta be downwind from that.
It keeps changing.
Let's leave that one there.
Is that a good sign when they're working their way all the way to the
Oh
top?
yeah, this one is strong. This one is strong. So, as a matter of fact, what we're going to do with this one,
Is that what that little piece there is for?
that's a queen excluder.
That is?
Yeah.
So it's time to put that on?
We want to use that when we
thought
put the
maybe
super
that's-
on.
For what?
When we put the super on.
Well, that stuff's made of nasty taste in my mouth. That's smoke.
Do you want to brush in it?
Yeah, we'll get it in a minute. See, I haven't built this thing really. Number looks good, but they haven't built out here.
But didn't we switch?
Yeah, we switched them around. That was last week, wasn't it?
Yeah. They didn't do nothing? The ones we switched? Nothing on that one there? I'll best stop pointing. They're getting medieval on that side.
Yeah, I know why. Let's do like this. Let's just checker it a little bit.
That one looks pretty full there.
Yeah, that one does look good. Those two look good too. Is that you?
Did you beat?
Wasn't me.
I got a guy picking up a car pretty soon. So let's put this one in the middle.
Must be your friend.
You got a guy picking them up. So let's do like this. On these, let's look at the bottom one real quick. We see we have 3, 4. We have 4 or 5 that aren't built. Let's see what's going on in the bottom.
Look, they're all in back of you. Your chain can't get in. See? Now they're going. Now they're going back.
So you see this one built. Let's go to the second one. This one looks a little light.
Is it honey in there, I see? Or nectar? Or
Nectar. It's not capped or anything. So they're really building this thing light. It's light. This one they're building together. They haven't taken this apart in a while. Let's look at this one. Well, these two, let's do like this. This one is really light. You didn't see the queen in it? A lot of young bees though, huh? Let's just scooch them over. Oh, that's why we put this one here, because we wanted it. We want this one built. I see enough going on here that we're not worried about trying to find the queen. But let's just see if we can help them build a little bit.
Everything.
So,
I didn't know that Drone was a socializer. He's a meet and greeter. He can go to any hive and meet and greet.
because he has his
Fertilize
use is
the queen.
yeah, his use is limited. They're not worried about socializing come fall time though. Those are full.
They're full of built out.
Yeah, they're building out. So let's put this one here.
Got a lot of activity around us.
We're trying to get back in.
Let's see this one. Move it up a little bit. We're trying to build it out. Move that and then let's go one more.
Oh, they're starting to get peppy. I'm gonna step back.
Yeah, but they're not real mad yet.
Yeah, blow some smoke on.
Huh?
Blow some smoke on.
Another ash. You want to cover them with hot ash. Okay. So we're seeing what, 2 or 3 here that aren't really built out all the way. But this one. Thank you.
Ooh.
You get anybody?
Yeah,
Oh,
he
you
just
got a
crunched up a bunch
few.
of them.
As you twisted, you got a few.
Let's get the broom, swoop them around.
Try to push it where it's not pushing them off. So let's do like this anyway. Let's try the super on it.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah.
I was watching one with those, what was that thing called? A flow.
High flow?
It has some kind of cog on it that you twist, and it cuts the honey, and it flows out at the bottom. They
So-
put it in one of these hives.
Now, is this one the short one for them to build like stuff for the winter?
Yeah.
Since you're keeping the queen out, that's for them to get up there and start making food for winter.
Yeah. We want this one all storage. And then come winter time, we're going to cut this off. We're going to take this off and put it down there for them. The only thing now is which lid we want. We can go this lid and we can give them an entrance. And then we can put water on top of it. Another
To
couple-
feed them if you want to.
I think this is really the summer side though. Deep side down for the winter. I think I'm going to have to change those screens to the other side.
Yeah, but you don't you want the honey, the hole on the bottom, so if bees are building in there, they can come in and out?
Yeah, they got an entrance over here.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought that's what that was.
Square, they got a square hole down the bottom.
So we'll leave this lid here for them to get off with it. They'll figure it out pretty soon.
Oh, this lid.
I'm gonna put it in front.